So you managed to assemble the entire PC, but you're a bit stuck on how to install the graphics card without breaking it in half. No problem. First thing you gotta do is check on your motherboard and see if you can find a long slot. That is called your PCIe slot. What you're gonna wanna do is find the clip to the right of the slot and push it down. Next, you're gonna have to look on your case and see where the PCIe covers are. If your graphics card is a 1 slot, remove 1. If it's a 2 slot, remove 2. If it's for some reason a 3 slot, remove 3. Next, you're gonna wanna unscrew the PCIe cover slot. That is usually what's keeping your graphics card in place to the case so it doesn't fall off. Next, you're going to have to line up the graphics card with the PCIe slot and align it with the case. Then you're going to want to push down. Then all you're going to have to do is do the past couple steps in reverse. So screw the graphics card in, screw the cover plate on, and you're done. Well, almost. When you're ready to turn on your PC, make sure you plug into the graphics card. Do not plug into your motherboard, because then all the work you would have just done would have been for nothing.